Hello students! In this video, we're diving into the exciting world of synonyms. Let's explore together. Synonyms are words that share similar meanings, and understanding them can make your writing and speaking more fun and interesting. For example, the word anatomy has synonyms like casing, frame, chassis, and scale. Synonyms can help us express the same idea in different ways. Let's learn why we use synonyms first. Using synonyms helps you say the same thing in different ways. This makes writing clearer and easier to understand. Second, the more words you know, the better you can explain your thoughts and ideas. Lastly, synonyms help your writing sound smooth and interesting. Nobody likes to read the same word a million times. Using different words keeps things exciting and engaging. Now, let's look into the types of synonyms first. Absolute synonyms. These words have the same meaning in every situation. For example, avoid and prevent mean the same thing. Then we have partial synonyms. These words mean similar things but can differ slightly. For example, calm and serene share meanings but emphasize different feelings. Last is near synonyms. These words are similar but not interchangeable. Examples are real and authentic, which mean different things. Let's understand the common difference between synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms are words with similar meanings, like uneducated and illiterate, whereas antonyms are words with opposite meanings, like educated and uneducated. Now, let's look into common mistakes students make with synonyms. Mostly, students try to use complex words that lead to confusion. They also overuse synonyms and make writing dull and boring. Sometimes, they ignore to notice subtle differences in meanings which lead to several mistakes. Also, misspelling new words can confuse readers. So, always recheck your spelling. Now it's your turn to answer. Give 2 examples of near synonyms. Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 10 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.